Hi bag lovers, here today with another beautiful piece of arm candy. We've got this gorgeous Mulberry mini lily in this beautiful pale blue leather. It's perfect for spring. It has one long adjustable strap and this drawstring closure like that. And it has a suede interior, if you can see that as well. So we put the exterior as very good. It literally just has one mark on the corner, you might be able to see. The interior, the suede interior, we put as good. There's just a slight bit of wear on that, but it is still down as good. And the hardware, which is just this little buckle on the strap, also we put as excellent. So the link to shop will be in the description below. That should take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't, I'm afraid it means it has sold. But if you've missed out on it and you really like one, just email us and we can put you on our request list. The exact measurements and details are on the website online. If I just pop it on me, you can see there, it kind of sits about there. I'm like a size 10, 12, 5'5". But like I said, all the exact measurements are in the details if you'd like to know that. So whilst you're on our website, you can sign up to our newsletter and don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later with some more art candy.